Right guys, so welcome to the GM Imports YouTube channel.
So good afternoon, it's Tuesday at JM. Yesterday I didn't do much vlogging as it was a hectic Monday, as you can all understand. Mondays are so busy, I guess in any business. Monday we're just playing catch up. Not much changed anyway from terms of Saturday, but what I'll do is I'll do a little walk around, show you what's been happening at JM on the Tuesday. And like I say, keep your comments coming, keep the feedback. So yeah, let's go and check what we've been doing over the last 2 days at GM. Haggy, how's it going?
Fantastic.
Yeah?
Got busy start of the week, innit?
Yeah, I've just seen you doing a nice little post on some Nismo stuff.
Yeah, we got some for a good customer, wasn't it? So, can we see who it was?
For a good customer. That good customer was me. Yeah, the mount's only 34. Yeah. Haggy wants to speak, 2 seconds.
Just put an extra note on that one. Obviously, you know, people always quote on, you know, bushings and stuff like that. For these cars, the Nismo is the only option. It's been for the last sort of 5-10 years. I wouldn't put anything else on it. So if you need them for your R chassis or even S chassis, you know where I am.
Haggy's the man. So Jan is now in the office seat. Why is he in the office seat? I'm going to go and show you in the workshop. So let's go and see what's going on outside. And I think T&E has landed with his new motor. Who wants to see it?
Can I be showing them the new toy jacket? Whoa! Sorry, brother, how you doing?
Good.
Good afternoon, we've just landed at GM.
I haven't. Callum's just landed.
Haven't been here in a long time. Where's the 140? Nobody knows, everyone's wondering what's going on. But I've landed. What we're doing today? I
want to go and show you what the workshop is. I want to get T&E to come and do some vlogging as well with us this afternoon, as I know a lot of you people have been missing them.
I can't believe what's just sat behind you. Like. I've seen the videos because I've been editing them at home, but I've not seen these in person. What kind of show? I'm gonna go and have a look. You go and continue your video, then I'll come back.
He's back. No, he's always been here, but he's been behind the camera, filming, editing. Right, so we've got this Evo 10 that Dale is washing. Just had an AYC diff, AYC pump refurbished, and a new diff put in, second-hand diff. So that is a customer from Scotland. That's getting collected tomorrow night. Let's go and actually show you this lovely GTR that's just come in for a full service. That's a JM 700 GTR. Full service, all oils, everything been done, ready for the summer. It's absolutely stunning. 700 horsepower. Let's go and check, see what Matty is doing. So, we've got Morgan's JM 1300R GTR. This is in for a service and a check over. Absolutely stunning GTR. Actually, what I'm on the video now, Morgan may be selling it, and he maybe potentially want a Lamborghini Huracan. So, if anybody's in the market for a 1300 horsepower GM built car that is absolutely stunning, this is the car I would buy. This is a lush car. So, it's going on the website in a few weeks. Morgan is going to take it back, so he's not sure if he's 100% selling it, but if you're serious, give us a message and you could be the owner of that car. So back to the workshop, main workshop. We've got Ricky's car. Kyle's been working on it. He's put the new diff in, drive shafts are in, he's checked the clutch and ETS and the gearbox as well. So let's see where he's up to. Kyle,
yo,
how's it going?
Pretty well. I've got the last of the boost pipes to get done, and then clutch learn it, and it should be done.
There we go. So this is getting pulled off the ramp tonight, Ricky. Also seen a lot of comments where is DMO paying, is Ricky paying, of course Ricky's paying, you know, Ricky's lending the car, but some of the comments on the guesses were quite close, and I will update as long as Ricky's alright for me updating how much the invoice costs. But yeah, the car's almost done, Kyle's done a top job on it, and it's ready to come off. Let's go and see what Dean is up to with this Audi TT. So I'm with Dean. Dean is the man behind the two 2000 horsepower GTRs. So Dean, how's it going?
Going well. Good progress. Engine's nearly in. Just a few more pieces. IROS plenum going back on. Shouldn't be too long before we're up and firing again.
Yeah, and I believe you've also changed the hot side on the turbo as well.
Yep, so we're going bigger hot side on the turbo, a bit more power. Should be fairly spicy.
And then Dean will obviously get potentially the pleasure of running it in, because I believe what we're going to do with this, we're just going to map it on pump fuel for now, and then get Dean to use it, make sure everything's all right, and then once we're happy, then we send it on ethanol. So there we go. Let's go and see what is happening in the engine room. So we've got Ali's R33 GTR. It's been built with an RB30 engine, I believe, and Jan is doing some new sensors, a couple of modifications, a couple of repairs, a trigger kit as well. We've got Haggy there admiring those wheels. We are also doing a custom turbo hot side pipe, inlet pipe, and what else are we doing on this car? An oil cooler relocation, and Haggy's here, and I think you want to see me. Haggy, what is it you want to tell me?
I'm just getting over like the old GT1 wheels. Obviously, it's got the Nismo Catback as well, so it's got like all the Gucci sort of Nismo parts which you want, obviously for your base as well. Just to be a nice car, this.
There you go.
Yeah.
So the Haggy actually approves of this car, don't you?
Yeah.
So if you want any parts anyway,
Very old school stuff on this.
he's your man, but obviously I'm not sure you can get these parts, can you?
You can, but they're very, very expensive.
Very rare.
Especially the wheels, yeah.
Cool. Well, we'll let Haggy go because he's got to go back to the office and answer those phones. But yeah, Haggy loves it, don't you, Haggy? Right, guys, I'm going to go and check what Jimmy's up to in the engine room. I believe he's building a GTO engine. Let's go and see how he's getting on. Good afternoon, Jimmy.
Hello, sir.
So,
Unfortunately, your previous comment is incorrect, sir.
oh, we're not doing a GTO engine.
We're not anymore.
Oh, we were.
We were, yes.
Is that it there? No.
No, that's the block up there. So the block was prep painted, started. We'd done the measurements on the block, which we knew were good. We had pistons machined to size, or sorry, bores machined to size to match the pistons. Customer supplied parts, and that's unfortunately where it's gone wrong.
What's in terms of what went wrong? The pistons the wrong size, or?
No. The initially GTOs, they have a push fit wrist pin, so it's press fit. There's no clips to hold it in. The customer needed conrods, so we had some manufactured, or by his part supplier had some manufactured, and those conrods do not work with press fit pins. So he now needs to get different pistons. Luckily, we can get them bigger again, so the mesh block's going to have to go back to the
Could we get the right
shop.
conrods or not?
No, it's so hard. It would
Right.
have to be OE conrods.
So what this means is chaos, because that knacks the diary up a little bit, doesn't it, Jimmy?
Well, it's additional expense for the customer,
Yeah.
which is something that we would have known and addressed first time round. It obviously knocks our schedule, so for some customers it's beneficial because now I'm further ahead than I was going to be.
Right. So that's what that engine behind you is. I'm going to turn around.
We're going to strip, disassemble, everything's covered, and it's going to be covered further to take this one apart, because generally the engine room's clean, but I do have to take worn, broken, in this case fire damaged engines apart to find out what's what.
Let's have a look at this engine. And that is not looking nice. So this is a customer's engine. He dropped it off. We're just building the engine and then giving it back. As you can see, the car's been involved in some sort of fire from the front or from the back. I don't know. It's a standard engine. It looks like a late model engine. Jimmy's going to strip it down, do lists so I can go back to the customer and say you need A, B, C, D, E, and then obviously we can schedule it back in. So yeah, so that's the engine room. A bit of a hiccup for Jimmy and a bit of a hiccup for us. Obviously everything has a knock-on effect, unfortunately, on business. a lot of you business owners will know, and obviously you watching these vlogs will now understand when things don't go to plan and why people sometimes get pushed forward. It's stuff like this. So yeah, cool. I'm going to go and check what Chris is up to, and I'm just going to finish in the engine room for now.
Right.
Hello. Are you alright to be in a vlog?
Yeah, of course, go ahead.
Cool. So, back to the office. I was just trying to...
Oh, thank you, mate. Yes.
Callum is the tea maker at GM now.
What's going on is, are you the new YouTuber? Because that's what
No,
people
not me.
We've got an unbelievable plan, right, for the YouTube channel this year to keep the videos pumping out. JV's going to do the daily, weekly walk-arounds, and then I'm going to do some other stuff.
Customer reactions.
You're giving it away, Jackie?
But when the weather's better.
You're giving it away.
I'm going to shut this, yeah.
I'm going to
Cool.
go back now.
I'm going to let him go back to editing. Hopefully this door doesn't open. Right, so I've got Grant and...
Grant as well, 2 grants.
Double Grants, double G's.
Yeah.
Double G's, right. So I have noticed something on your top, Grant.
Yeah.
What is that, Scottish Clan?
So it's Scottish Car Clan. We're
Right.
a YouTube channel, we're on Instagram as well. We do buyers guides, track nights, all that sort of stuff. Loads of exciting footage on there.
Is it both for your business or?
No, you're the main man, eh?
Yeah,
I'm the cameraman.
we're both
Yeah.
involved with it though.
Yeah.
It's a team effort.
Good, good. So anyway, Grant's got a beautiful GM 700 R30, 700. I was going to say R. The R means for race fuel. It's just GM 700. It's is it grey? Pewter? What's the
Yeah.
right colour? Just grey, isn't it?
Yeah, it's kind of gunmetal, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm
Is it
just trying to
gunmetal?
think if it's got an actual. It's just grey, I think. But I know like the S15s were like pewter grey and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But it's outside. It's actually on. You've probably seen it earlier in the video. It's a really nice car. Had a full service. New billet sump as well. So the GTR suffer from the sort of sumps corroding with the weather. And they use a heading back to Scotland, don't you?
Yeah.
Ain't that new, aye?
Long road back up.
So they're just tasting Callum's tea, and then they're heading back up. Thanks, guys. Anyway, and like I say, good luck with your channel.
Thank you
Pleasure as
very
always.
much.
And like I say, I'm gonna have actually check it out because I've not heard of it yet.
Yeah.
Cool. Subscribe.